And Mohnish, in the Dando Investor, you have a chapter on the art of selling called Abhimanyu's Dilemma. Could you reflect a little bit on that and perhaps how you might update it given another dozen years of experience?
Yeah, selling is always a lot more complicated than buying. And it's similar to investing in the sense that it's relatively easy for us to buy stocks. And when things start unfolding about a business somewhat different than what we may have predicted, like, we had this question earlier about retailers or packaged goods companies, we may have had certain models in our mind, and then we are seeing actual reality on the ground is completely different. Then of course, if you're below your cost basis, then the question is, do you want to wait till you break even? Wait till you make some money, or do you want to just cut your losses and run? These become kind of challenging and difficult questions to answer. So selling is always a lot harder than buying, and it's more complicated because we don't have crystal balls that tell us what markets are going to do or what individual businesses are going to do, and so that's why I use that analogy. So it's very important before we buy a stock to be able to write down maybe in less than 4 or 5 sentences why we are buying it and under what circumstances and pricing we would be selling it, just so that we have that clarity very well etched in our brains.